This instructional video will show how to fix certain print quality problems. If the image is too light or the images are fuzzy, perform this maintenance procedure. Select the menu key. Scroll down to Adjust Maintenance and press the right arrow key. Scroll down to Service. Press the right arrow key. Scroll through the list and locate Drum. Press on OK. You should see a question mark. Press OK to start the drum refresh procedure. This will take several minutes. The machine will come to ready upon completion. Run a test print to see if your print quality has improved. If the above procedure does not improve the print quality, perform this additional maintenance procedure. Select the menu key, scroll down to Adjust Maintenance and press the right arrow key. Scroll down to Service. Press the right arrow. Scroll through the list and find Developer. Press on OK. You will now see a question mark asking you to run the procedure. Press OK to run the procedure. This may take several minutes. When the process is complete, the printer will come to ready. Try your print operation again to confirm quality has improved.